Having been to the Smart Factory Expo before, I kind of knew that sort of thing would turn up both, direct clients and collaboration opportunities.
Hi, I'm Dolores Sanders. I'm the CIO of Total Control Pro.
And hi, I'm Eric Topham, the Data Science Director of the Data Analysis Bureau.
Across a room,
across
a corridor.
Well, yeah. Across the innovation alley, I think.
Exactly.
Our eyes met, and it was. We literally were just the other side of, two sides of the innovation alley. I think we did the usual thing of, hi, I'm Eric, hi, I'm Dolores, what do you guys do? And we sort of chatted through the event a bit, didn't we? And then we sort of, I think very much kind of more towards the end of the event, sort of said, well, there might be something, useful for us to do together. Well, I mean, the minute that one person goes data and the other person goes data, you're onto a winner already. I guess our skill set really kind of matched up with, Dolores's team's ability to generate lots of interesting data from the UK manufacturing industry, and for us to then come along and be able to add that additional level of sophistication in terms of the analysis that we can do, particularly where there are some challenges with working with so many different organisations, that requires a certain level of thought and understanding and collaboration between the two of us.
I think they're getting to know you, being able to, founder to founder have a conversation, and I think the same with other businesses that we've worked with, where you can work directly with the MD or the founder or the CEO of the company. It gives you that opportunity, and actually at Smart Factory that is the people you tend to see there, rather than just the salesperson or something. Actually we were looking at not just what we could get directly, but what our business and where our business were going. So that synergy kind of clicked quite quickly. Collaboration is absolutely key. Whether you are a large manufacturer, a small manufacturer, or a data company, working in collaboration in the digital world, if we're talking about getting smarter, smarter does not happen in isolation. Smarter happens when you're learning from each other, you're saying, well, how can we be competitive? Yes, but how can we take the benefits of each other and the learning from each other to move everyone up?
Gone are the days of the idea of some lone scientist in a room that has their eureka moment and changes the world. All of these big technology challenges out there, they require real specialism, and so you can't hope to do everything in one place.